Today we are going to decorate my house for fall. And kind of do some fun fall things that I have been wanting to do for so long. It has actually started to be a little bit chilly in the mornings, finally. And I've not been home in 2 weeks, so I've been so tired. I actually just fell asleep on the couch for a little bit. It's about 11:50 in the morning and I'm just so freaking tired. But it's Saturday, so I've been looking forward to spending the day doing whatever I want to, and we're going to decorate for fall. I'm also going to plant pansies and get my front pots ready for fall as well. And I'm really excited because my petunias that are out there are dead. I mean, they're not dead, but they're just exhausted. They get like that every August. So I'm really excited. We just got pansies in at Lowe's literally today or yesterday, they said. So I picked up whatever I could get and I'm just ready to get that done as well. I also have been trying to cut back on my caffeine, but on vacation and at my work trip, I was drinking caffeine every single day. And I think I'm having a caffeine withdrawal headache because my head has been killing me for like 2 days and I haven't had any caffeine. But I'm gonna have a pumpkin coffee today just because we went to 2 different grocery stores to find my favorite pumpkin creamer from Chobani. Absolute best creamers ever, and we got the last one at the second grocery store. I've been loving this tinted sunscreen by CeraVe. It's like a BB cream, very lightweight, and I will forever use bronzing drops. I'm not really gonna get ready, I just wanted to kind of do something to myself, and I have to wear sunscreen because we're gonna be planting and being out in the sun. I want to make sure that my face is protected. Day that will come again tomorrow. September is also my birthday month. My birthday is the 27th. We are celebrating a lot this month only because I will be traveling for another work event over my birthday, so I won't be here. We are doing kind of like a family celebration. It's like a joint celebration with one of our really close family friends, who's basically like my aunt. This Sunday, and then my husband wants to celebrate my birthday this coming Wednesday, and then I fly out and I'll be gone for my birthday, and then we celebrate the weekend after my birthday with my in-laws. So I feel so spoiled this month because since I'm gonna be away, it's like everyone wants to celebrate different times, but I'm so thankful. I just love birthdays. I love feeling special, but I also love celebrating other people's birthdays, so I'm trying to make this month really fun. That was actually one of my September goals. If you watch my reset videos, my goal for September was to really have a good month, just enjoy the fact that it is my birthday month, really take care of myself, and not cry on my birthday. I always cry on my birthday because everyone's getting older, but I'm not gonna do that this year. In this vlog, maybe like a few days. I like those kind of vlogs, but I'm going to decorate today and plant today. I thought it would be fun to also record some of Sunday night when we're celebrating because I love those memories. New day, wash away the pain. There's a new day, take away your sorrow. Taste test. Oh my god. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to it. You want cinnamon in yours? Mm-hmm. This is the creamer that we went to 2 grocery stores to find, and we got the last one at the second one. It's the Chobani pumpkin. Absolutely incredible. And I can't figure out why they already have their Christmas stuff out, but we already had the peppermint mocha too. I love it. And then this is our absolute favorite for year round, the sweet cream. But these are the best creamers, honestly. I do not crave Starbucks anymore when I have this. I mean, they have, I'm getting a look. They have their pumpkin cream cold brew right now. I love that, but for the rest of the year, I don't crave Starbucks anymore because just any iced coffee with those Chobani creamers, amazing. I did not know until last year about mums is you can pot them or replant them somewhere else because they come back every single year. So after my potted ones die back in the winter, I plant them in the ground and they come back every year. So these are 2 from the past 2 years. This one's doing really good. This one is not doing so hot, but I keep them in the ground and they come back. So whenever these potted ones die, I'll plant them all on this little section of yard and they'll come back. And these are the petunias that are not doing so hot. So that one's doing okay, but like they just look dead. This year, I'm going to plant tulip bulbs in the middle of my pansies out front, probably 4 bulbs in each pot in the center, and then plant my pansies on top kind of around that spot. And in the spring, my tulips will bloom on the inside of my pansies because pansies last all winter long. I'm in North Carolina, so that's what I do every winter, but this is the first year I'm doing tulips for the spring and I'm really excited. All right, I thought that would take about 1/3 of the time that it took. It is already 4 o'clock. I have been planting nonstop since noon. So I'll show you what I've done, but I'm not gonna be able to do any fall decor tonight, I don't think. I've got plans with my mom. So I'm gonna shower and get ready and I will finish this little fall decor vlog tomorrow Sunday, so I'm glad I did this today, but I'll show you what I did because I love planting. I usually take these little hanging pots in my backyard down, but I decided to keep them this year and I put 4 pansies in each one and the pots look so much better.
Oh, the old ways get washed out by the rain.
The next day, it's Sunday, and I did not do any fall decorating yesterday. And I was going to do it today, but I also did not do it today because we went to my mom's house for breakfast and coffee and didn't get home till noon. And my sweet husband has been in the kitchen all day making me a birthday cake and kale chips and another appetizer because we are doing a birthday celebration at my mom's for me and also for Shannon, one of our family friends, and her birthday is actually today. So I figured I would just vlog that as well. And then tomorrow I will decorate for fall.
Here's to the birthday girls.
Yes, happy birthday. Jessica.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Happy birthday to you.
If you try,
Happy
get some
birthday,
sleep.
dear both of you.
If you give up the fight, if only just
Alright, y'all, blow 'em out.
for a bit.
3, 1.
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles.
One more.
There's a new day
Guys.
and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I
am working and this is technically my lunch, but it is what I would usually eat for breakfast. It's eggs and egg whites, and then I have some whole grain mustard and hot sauce and some chicken sausages and avocado spread on these siete wraps, which are like almond flour wraps. So I'm going to eat this because it's already 2:20 and I haven't eaten like a meal today. I've had a chomp beef stick and a little yogurt. I've been really busy with work, focused on that. So I have a lot more work to do, honestly. It's kind of a crazy busy Monday, but I really want to decorate for fall after work. And I also wanted to get a run in or go to the gym, but I did my makeup for my meetings, and so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So we'll see. I haven't yet figured out my plan for the day. Some days are like this. For dinner, I'm making something out of the Clean Eating Bowls cookbook. I can't remember where I got this, but I got it years ago. Soups, smoothie bowls, salad bowls, and then grain bowls like what we're having tonight. And we are doing a spicy sweet potato and chickpea bowl.
think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, is waiting for us. There's a new
Sit.
waiting
Okay, buddy, go ahead.
There's a new day, and it will restore
Well, it is now Wednesday. I have still not decorated for fall. I have had a really crazy week at work. And then after work, I'm just like not in the mood. Plus, it is still like 80 degrees here and it's been sunny. Sunday was the perfect day to decorate for fall because it was rainy and cool. And now it's been like, I don't know, I'm just not in the vibe. I'm really happy I got my fall planting done. So the outside's like fallified, but the inside, I haven't touched it. So tonight, my husband actually wants to celebrate my birthday. Well, I was going to decorate now, but my house is kind of dirty, so I'm thinking about cleaning it, and then maybe I'll decorate after dinner, or I'll wait till tomorrow. I don't know. I feel like I'm just never going to decorate for fall at this point. I don't have that much stuff. I've been really good about staying minimal with my fall decor, so everything that I own that is for the fall is in this container, and it's not even all the way full, so that's perfect. It's just like a few pumpkins and things, and like the more I'm talking about it, the more I'm probably just gonna decorate tomorrow, because I just want to clean my house today so that tomorrow when I put everything out, I'm not putting it on like dusty things, if that makes sense. So we'll see. I even like got myself already in a fallish outfit just to decorate and film, but I'll just wear this again tomorrow.
Birthday charcuterie.
It looks so pretty. Today is Thursday. I am going to decorate for fall right now. It is 5:30. I really want to be done like in less than an hour. I don't have a lot of fall stuff. I kind of honestly forgot what I have because I haven't even looked in the bin. So let's go see. Just this one bin. I have some Halloween stuff.
Try to quit you, I go through withdrawals. Tell me that when I die, I'll be the ghost of you. Should know, no one knows who tried to make time go by slow, keep you by my side. Just tell me this before I go. Say to me, of course.
The next thing on my fall list are to make orange pomander balls. I used to do these whenever I was a kid. So I bought a bag of oranges and a whole bunch of cloves. You also can buy these in bulk on Amazon, and I highly recommend that because these were like $1 a bag and there's not a lot in there. You just stick whole cloves into citrus, and I'm using oranges because it smells really good. Pomanders, or the practice of carrying or wearing a ball of perfume, were popularized in Europe around the late Middle Ages. At this time, pomanders were used for protection against infection, disease, or the smell of sickness. A clove-covered orange tied with a gold or red ribbon and sometimes anointed with oils was originally a charm used by witches for recovery, protection, and good luck spells. They just smell really good, and there's something I used to do whenever I was a kid, so I wanted to do it again this year because it's really like a Christmas tradition, but I figured I can make them now and they will last all through the winter. What it does is you put the clove in here and it actually helps like dry out the citrus so it doesn't get like moldy. You just kind of have to keep an eye on them. If you see any that do get moldy, throw them away. But when I was a kid, we didn't know to do this, but the easiest way is you just stick like a toothpick, or this is like a little wooden skewer, into the peel like this, and that makes it easier for you to stick your clove in because it will kill your thumb. So a lot of the times if I'm going to sit and do one, I'll wrap my thumb with a band-aid or two to provide protection because it will hurt so bad. So I poked a little hole right here in the orange, and you take your clove and just stick it in the hole like that. So when I was a kid, we just did like the whole orange, but I kind of want to have fun with it, and I'm gonna make like a design.